and welcome to our e-exam tutorial. In this short video, we'll talk about how to design questions on the system. So first you go to question design, and here you need to select the author of the question, the subject, and the module. You can have as many authors as you like. Moving on next, you have to go to the subject and you need to move by order. You select the subject that you want to add the questions to, and finally, you select the module. Again, you can add up to many modules as much as you want. Make sure you are selecting the correct module. As you can see here, there are many modules including listening, speaking, writing. When the question bar appears, or the question body, you need to select Add New Question on top here in orange. Now here you add all the details of your question, including time, how much time do you want this question to take, question score, and answer type. In answer type, you can select whether it's drag and drop, fill in the blanks, single answer, multi-answer. We'll select here single answer. Then we move to the MCQ type. You can have three types. You can add it by text, image, or voice. And we have also the complexity of the question, which identifies the level of the question. Is it easy, normal, hard, challenging, etc. We also have the cognitive level, whether it requires knowledge on behalf of the candidate, or practical, or maybe problem-solving question. We also have the local reference, where you need to reference your question if you have a source for it, and write the name of the reference in reference. Moving on, you can add the goals of the question. You can add here whatever you like. Depends on the goal or the aim of the question. What is it targeting really in the test? And we have multi-tag if you need to add any notes regarding the question. Then we move on to question body. Since we selected text above, then obviously we have to write the question in text. When you preview the question, you can change the direction of the question depending on the language. So if you select right to left, for instance, it will show from right to left, and this means that you're writing the question in Arabic, for example. Moving on, candidate notes. You write any notes here that will be specifically seen by the candidate. And teacher notes, you can write any notes that will be only seen by the teacher when they are reviewing the answers or the test itself. Here you can add attachments. You can add a video or an audio that is related to the question. You only drag and drop, it's very simple. You can embed it, and finally click submit, and your question will be successfully uploaded when you see the green bar on top of the screen. You can see here, this is the audio file that we added, and here are the answers that we're going to add. This is our first answer, for example. We have to mark it active and add. Since this is an MCQ single answer question, we're going to add another answer, click active, so that it appears on the test. Here's another answer. For example, this one is correct, so we mark correct, click add, and this is the final answer that we're going to add, for instance. Okay, select active, press add. We only need to select one correct answer, obviously, and we have to write it. So we press active and add. Submit answers. Here you can edit your answers. And if you go back, you can edit the question and provide answers and mark it active or correct. And this is how you design questions on the system.